What is an ocean? An ocean is a large body of salt water between continents. Oceans are extremely big and they join smaller seas together. Oceans cover 70% of Earth. Oceans are a major and vital part of the hydrosphere. 5 oceans of the Earth. There are totally 5 oceans in the world that covers about 70% of the entire Earth's surface. All the oceans are interconnected. The 3 main movements of ocean waters are the waves, the tides, and the ocean currents. The following are the 5 oceans of the Earth: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. Let's learn about Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The Pacific Ocean spreads over one-third of the Earth. Mariana Trench is considered as the deepest part of the Earth, lies in the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is almost circular in shape. The continents Asia, Australia, North and South Americas surround it. Let's learn about Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. The shape of the ocean is like the alphabet S. It is surrounded by the North and South Americas on the western side and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. It is the busiest ocean as per the point of view of commerce. The Atlantic Ocean is roughly half the size of the Pacific Ocean. Let's learn about an Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the ocean surrounded by Asia to the north, Australia and the Pacific Ocean to the east, the Southern Ocean to the south and Africa and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. It is named for the river Indus and ancient India on its north shore. The Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea are all parts of the ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. Let's learn about Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and the shallowest of the world's 5 oceans. It occupies the most northern region of Earth. The North Pole is near the center of the Arctic Ocean. It covers less than 3% of the Earth's surface. Much of the ocean is covered by ice. The Arctic Ocean is home to whales, walruses, polar bears, and seals. Let's learn about Antarctic Ocean. The Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean, comprises the southernmost waters of the world. It was formed around 34 million years ago when Antarctica and South America drifted apart, creating the Drake Passage. This makes it the youngest ocean basin on Earth. Today, it is the only ocean that flows around the globe uninterrupted by land. The Southern Ocean is the only ocean that encircles a continent. The Southern Ocean surrounds Antarctica and is therefore called the Antarctic Ocean. Thank you for watching.